In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 800b010a on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and then you have to go to Settings. Now from the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and you have to click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue. After running the Windows Update Troubleshooter, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then the next thing that we can do is to perform the SFC scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click Yes. Type SFC space / scan now. SFC space / scan now and hit Enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. If completed or 100% completed, type exit in the command prompt window. Then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Next thing is to reset the Windows Update components. Type CMD in the Windows search bar. Click Run as Administrator. Copy the commands which will be posted in the description box below, and here you have to. Okay, so I will paste it in the description section of this video. So here is the command. Control C to copy. And then open CMD, type CMD. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Control V and hit Enter. And type exit, hit Enter. Then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. And the last thing is to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD again. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Copy the command. Again, all of these commands will be posted in the description section of this video. Control V, hit Enter. Type Y, hit Enter. And then type exit, hit Enter. Then right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.